In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset TickTick password. Before we begin, make sure you have a web browser open and access to the email account you use with TickTick. We'll walk through the official flow so you can request a reset securely and get back into your account. Start by heading to your preferred search engine and typing TickTick. Open the official TickTick website. On the home page, look for the Sign In option, usually in the top right corner, and click it. This takes you into the web app interface where you can access your account settings. Even if you're not fully signed in, this path helps you reach the reset option from within TickTick's account area. Once the web app loads, locate your profile icon, typically found in the upper corner of the screen, and click it to open the account menu. From the drop-down, choose Settings. This is where TickTick keeps your account preferences and security controls. Inside Settings, find the section labeled Change Password and open it. If you remember your current password, you could update it here, but because we're focusing on a reset, look for the link that says Forgot Password. Click that. This link is designed for cases where you don't remember your current password or you can't log in. You'll now see a field to enter the email associated with your TickTick account. Type that email carefully to avoid typos, then select the option to reset your password. TickTick will confirm that an email with further instructions has been sent. This confirmation simply means the system recognized your request and delivered a message to your inbox. Open your email and look for the message from TickTick. If you don't see it after a minute or two, check your spam or junk folder, as automated emails sometimes land there. If you still don't find it, wait a bit longer or try the reset again, ensuring you use the exact email tied to your TickTick account. Some mail providers can also filter into a Promotions or Updates tab, so check those as well. When the email arrives, follow the instructions inside to create a new password. Choose something unique, strong, and memorable. Ideally a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols, and avoid reusing passwords from other sites. After you set your new password, return to TickTick and sign in with your updated credentials to confirm everything worked. That's it. You searched for TickTick, opened Sign In, navigated through your profile to Settings, selected Change Password, chose Forgot Password, submitted your email, and checked your inbox for the reset instructions. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get back on track quickly and securely.